I take you to me because you want balance diet. Yeah, so guys, I'm making go to our Nigerian Texan fried rice. I'm making barbecue chicken, so I'm waiting for it to marinate a little bit, and I'll definitely show you guys how to do it. I'll be adding our lemon zest to make it spicy. Hey guys, so I'm making fried rice today right here in Dallas. I'm making it probably the half Nigerian, half American way, because I do not really have what I really like to have to use that I normally use in Nigeria. So I'll be making do with what I have here. So that's why I name it Nigerian American fried rice. Alright guys, I'll take you through as you normally do. So let's see how we do it. So guys, I'm going to be marinating my shrimp. I'm using this garlic, oregano, parsley, basil, carrot, and cayenne pepper mix. So guys, let's start our fried rice properly, our Nigerian American way. In absence of no curry, I'm using turmeric. So I'll be frying my rice the Nigerian way actually. That's my shrimps boiling over there. I first of all fried it, then I boiled it. Like I want to use the broth to make this fried rice. In absence of meat broth or chicken broth, I would prefer using shrimp broth. So I'm gonna fry this one the Nigerian way. I'll be adding my onion powder and my garlic, oregano, basil, carrots, citrus, oil of lemon, celery seed, marjoram, kind of spices I love. So I'm marinating the rice to give it that flavor from the onset. I always tell you, my ancestors direct me. I don't measure. Oopsie. I do not measure. I just go with the winds, go with the spirits. This is garlic powder, sorry, onion powder rather. So I'm gonna put some bouillon cubes. And I'm gonna stir fry. I don't want it to burn, so I stir it continuously. When it's golden brown, I'll add my warm water to it. So guys, I'm using this spice fried rice. I don't know how it looks like, but I'm gonna try it. This one is anyway, let's just use it. Just a little bit. We don't want yellow rice, we want fried rice. We're gonna put small. So guys, I'm putting this water. The rice is now golden brown, and I guess this is a Texan spice. So I'll add my bowl of water and bring it to a boil. I'll put water at interval. I don't want it soggy, so I'll put my water at intervals so the rice gets soft. So let's wait and see how it simmers. So guys, exactly. Yes, yes. I'll use it. So guys, like I said, this is Nigerian American, like that, in the sense that, you see, if it to be Nigeria, we will not have a soggy vegetable. So in the absence of that, we are using this one. It's soggy, but I'll manage it. So we manage it. So guys, our fried rice is ready. Like I always say, this is our Nigerian Texan fried rice. Hey, yeah. So guys, I'll be making some barbecue, waiting for it to marinate, and I grill outside. I'll definitely carry you guys along. I take it to me, cause you won't balance diets. You won't balance diets. Yeah, so guys, I'm making go to our Nigerian Texan fried rice. I'm making barbecue chicken, so I'm waiting for it to marinate a little bit, and I'll definitely show you guys how we do it. I'll be adding our lemon zest to make it spicy. To make it tangy rather. Don't mind me. Guys, we're outside. We want to grill. Grills. Grills. We want to do some grills to eat with our rice. Really made sense. Let me go. Okay. My red dada. My they can't do. What is it consider? Yeah, I think too long. I became paper. No, fast. Take him. Was that kerosene? No. I like kerosene. Clomophene lights cool indeed. Do you have? So let's make that one very red so that once I put it here, it will ignite the other ones. See them? They don't have a kerosene like us. The Ninja girl. Don't run so you don't fall down. Yes. Done. You want to come? The cat is still sleeping.
Huh? Yeah.
Come along more.
This is so serious. You want your question? You like it?
This one's ready.
Turkey, Lele. Really? Yeah, turkey. No, chicken. Very soft, Abi.
Oh, really?
Very tender. Come here.
I need small water to douse. Huh? I thought it was actually chicken, so I think it's turkey. If I had known that, I've steamed it in the oven first before bringing it out here. It's turkey, the skin is always very hard.
That's bad.
It's bad.
Okay.
But what's okay?
Oh, okay.
You Dubai, you can only be 3-4 friends. So guys, we made our rice, our Nigerian Texas fried rice. So guys, like what you see, do so well to like, share, and so comment. I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye.